Hello, my name is Larry Hagan. I'm a traffic engineering consultant and I also serve as an instructor with the Florida LTAP Center. I will be conducting a 4-part webinar series on road safety fundamentals. Some of the topics to be covered include the foundations of roadway safety, human behavior and road safety, measuring safety, solving safety problems, and implementing road safety efforts. This FHWA publication is one of the primary resources used by people that are preparing to take the Road Safety Professional Certification exam. This webinar should provide an introduction to many of the fundamental concepts of road safety. The concepts cover areas such as the nature of road safety issues, human behavior and the road environment, and how to identify and solve road safety problems. The focus of the webinar will be to communicate the fundamental concepts of road safety rather than to get bogged down in detailed instruction into analytical road safety analysis procedures. I hope that you can join me for this important and informative Florida LTAP webinar series on road safety fundamentals.